Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, in this video we are going to see how to give IBPS clerk, IBPS clerk 11 bank preferences. Bank preferences. This video will help you a lot. See friends, why I am telling this one? There is a privatization issue. So government of India already announced about privatization of two public sector banks. So we don't know which two they are going to do this privatization, but we have to be always safer side. So how to give bank preferences while we are filling the form? This video will help you in that way. See friends, before filling the form we need to check which bank is asset wise which bank is very good very good, and which is the largest bank, which is the shortest bank, and the book size of that bank, and share of that particular bank. So we can analyze whether it is good bank or not good bank. See friend, these are the preferences. See friends, anchor bank, which one is the bank, that one, and banks are merged, and total asset, so leave this total, and revenue, leave this one, this data is not correct. See friends, this is State Bank of India. Here State Bank of India, here almost 6 banks got merged. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. See friends, State Bank of Bikram and Jaipur, State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Indore, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Patiala, State Bank of Travancore, and Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Bharatiya Mahila Bank, they were merged earlier only friends. After then these 6 banks recently they merged in State Bank of India. If State Bank of India would have been there in IBPS means it would be the better option, but it is not there. So first one is asset side wise State Bank of India is first, so it is not there in IBPS, so leave it this one. So this one is the first bank. If it is IBPS, they have included SBI, we would have given this one option, but unfortunately IBPS they have not included State Bank of India, so leave it this one. Second one, see friends, second one, Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank merged with two other banks, that is Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India. So in IBPS you can give first choice as this one. First one is this one, Punjab National Bank. See friends, second one is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda, you can see here Vijaya Bank and Dina Bank, they merged with Bank of Baroda, merged with Vijaya Bank, and Dina Bank merged with Bank of Baroda, so it is now Bank of Baroda. So second choice it will be the Bank of Baroda. See friends, here Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda merged with two other banks. See here Punjab National Bank merged with Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India, and Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank, Dina Bank. So here three banks are merged, but in Canara Bank case you can see here very clearly Canara Bank merged with only Syndicate Bank, but still here it is 15,000 billions, here it is 16,000 billions, here it is 17,000 billions total assets. So I can tell Canara Bank is it is good bank. Actually we can analyze Canara Bank is good bank. Why I am saying only Canara Bank merged with the Syndicate Bank, but two banks they were 15 billion worth, but here three banks were there. It is Punjab National Bank 17,000 billion, and here Bank of Baroda it is 16,000 billion. So now Canara Bank almost equal to Bank of Baroda assets. Now it is Canara Bank almost equal to Bank of Baroda assets. So you can analyze, you can give either Bank of Baroda your second choice or Canara Bank as your second choice. That is up to you friends, you can decide. But Canara Bank asset quality wise and NPA wise and remaining everything it is good, and you can see in exchange wise also, share market also it is good as per Canara. No other public sector bank except SBI, Canara Bank is maintaining good share value also. See friends, Union Bank of India, they merged with two other banks. Which are those means Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank, but still it is less than Canara Bank, BOB, and Union Bank of Punjab National Bank. See this you can give your wish. If you have nearby any branches of Union Bank of India, you can prefer this is as your choice. See friends, Union Bank we seen here Bank of India. See friends, Bank of India not merged with any bank, but you can give PNB first, then Canara or Bank BOB second and third, and fourth one Union Bank. Otherwise, if you have nearby any branches among these four, so you can give first one as your preference, that one. First one as your preference, that one. Otherwise, you feel which one is good for you. If you know any idea of these banks, you can give according to you. See friends, my preferences: Punjab National Bank is first, second is Canara Bank, third one is BOB, fourth one is Union Bank of India, and fifth one, obviously there is no other choice. You go with Indian Bank, already merged with Allahabad Bank, but still asset quality wise it is less than Bank of India. It is less than Bank of India, but it was merged. So you want to be safer side, means you go sixth option, it is Indian Bank. Then seventh option you go for Bank of India. Bank of India still it is good. It is maintaining good asset quality also. But you can give either Bank of India first, or Indian Bank is next, or Indian Bank is first, or Bank of India is next. So that is your choice, up to you. See friends, these are the unmerged banks. So except Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Eco Bank, and Bank of Maharashtra, Punjab and Sindhu Bank. See friends, there is see friends, here you can see like preferences. PNB, obviously it is your first choice. BOBR, Canara Bank, you can give BOBR second choice, or Canara third choice, or Canara second choice, or BOBR third choice. That is up to you. You can give, these are two good banks only. See friends, Union Bank of India, it is your fourth choice, or you can give first choice if you have nearby branches in your hometown or near to your location. You can give first choice Union Bank of India, no issue. After then Indian Bank, fifth choice, and sixth choice Bank of India, and seventh choice Eco Bank or Central Bank of India. Seventh choice it is Eco Bank or Central Bank of India. Eighth it is Indian Overseas Bank, and ninth it is Bank of Maharashtra. 10th it is Punjab and Sindhu Bank. See friends, already applications earlier started for this IBPS 11, but they temporarily stopped for this one. They want to conduct in regional languages. So Government of India given approval. So applications resumes from tomorrow onwards. 7, 10, 20, 21 to 27, 10, 20, 21. So many people have doubt that sir, we don't have vacancies in our own state. So either we can apply in other states. It is possible or not. So you can apply other states, no issue, but you have to clear that only LPT you have to clear, or LPT means language proficiency test, or you should know that particular state language. So this is also they will give you time. If you don't know also, they will give you time for other states. So you can apply for other states as well, no issue. Total vacancies like 5086 something is there. So very less vacancies provided by banks. So it may gonna increase also. See friends, last year also they increased at the last time. So many banks still they were not given vacancies. Maybe in 1 or 2 months they will update. This will gonna increase 1 or 2000. Thank you for your support. Thank you friends. Take care. Bye friends.